Hello everyone, and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Trello Map View for location-based projects step by step. Map View in Trello helps you visualize your tasks on an actual map, which is especially useful for fieldwork, site visits, deliveries, and any project that depends on physical locations. So let's get started. First, open Trello in your web browser and sign in to your account. Next, open the board where you want to use Map View. At the top of the board, click on Views. From the list of available views, select Map View. If this is your first time using Map View on this board, Trello may prompt you to enable it or add it as a board view. Once Map View opens, you will see a map interface alongside your board data. At this point, Map View will not show anything unless your cards contain location information, so the next step is to make sure your cards have proper locations added. Open any card on your board and add a location in the description, custom fields, or by attaching a Google Maps link. For best results, always use a clear and complete address like a street name, city, or landmark. Once you add locations to your cards, go back to Map View. Now you will start seeing pins appearing on the map, each representing a card. You can click on any pin to open the corresponding card and view its details. As you zoom in and out, you can see how your tasks are distributed across different areas. You can also use filters to narrow down cards by list, label, member, or due date depending on your board setup. This is very helpful when you want to focus on a specific region or a specific type of task. For example, you can filter only in-progress tasks or only field visits assigned to a specific team member. Map View becomes especially powerful when planning routes or organizing field operations. You can easily see which tasks are close to each other and plan your visits in a logical order. This helps save time, reduce travel costs, and improve team efficiency. As your team updates cards and completes tasks, the map will automatically update in real time. Keep in mind that Map View availability may depend on your Trello plan and workspace features. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to use Trello Map View for location-based projects. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Trello tutorials and productivity tips. See you in the next video.